Hi there, students. Dicey. Dicey's an adjective. Okay, we use this word dicey to mean something that's uncertain, that it's maybe a little bit dangerous. So, walking on ice is dicey, yeah? The surface is dicey, it's a bit dangerous. Um, my finances at the moment are rather dicey. They're dodgy. They're not very good. They're not safe. They're not certain. Yeah. This maneuver is rather dicey, and you can hurt yourself doing it if you're not careful. Okay, so something that's dicey, it's unpredictable, it's potentially dangerous, it could be a problem, it's precarious. So the supply of water to the region is dicey, and the situation will get dicier still if it doesn't rain soon. Yeah, this was a dicey moment in the match where the players could have easily lost heart. Okay, so something that's dicey, it's a bit uncertain. Yeah, driving in winter conditions can be dicey. It's risky, it's tricky, it's a little bit dangerous. I think mainly this word is British. I'm not sure if the Americans use it, but a dicey situation. Yeah. This area is dicey and you need to be careful, yeah, because you can easily get mugged. So risky, hazardous, chancy, yeah, unpredictable, yeah. Do you think you're going to get the job you went for the interview for? I think it's pretty dicey. Yeah, it could happen, but I think it's improbable. Okay, so something that's dicey has got all sorts of danger. The outcome of something that is dicey is uncertain. You don't know if you're going to succeed or not. Yeah. I will try and come, but it's dicey. I'm not certain if I'm going to be able. There was a man on the street with a blanket with some rather dicey looking merchandise, yeah, of uncertain provenance, sorry. It might have been stolen. It was maybe dodgy, yeah. Okay, the carburetor to my car is rather dicey at the moment. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, so you're not certain if something is going to work well or not or to succeed. This is what we mean by dicey. Okay, so a dicey situation. Yeah, something that, well, you don't know exactly what's going to happen, and maybe it could go bad and leave you in a rather unfortunate position. Okay, so dicey, formality. This is informal British English. I think I would give it a 3.5 in formality. Use it informally. I think maybe you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation, but certainly no more. And, well, dicey, it comes from the word dice, a dice that you throw with the spots. But I think this comes from the idea of using dice to gamble with. Yeah, so if you're gambling with dice, well, maybe you'll win or maybe you're not, but you can't guarantee it. So it's dicey, it's uncertain, it's slightly dangerous. Yeah, a dicey situation, a dicey merchandise. The printer is rather dicey at the moment. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So you don't really know what's going to happen if a situation is dicey. The future is rather dicey. It's well, it's not clear what's going to happen. Yeah. A dicey situation. Um, I think this is maybe the idea of to dice with death. Yeah, and you throw dice and maybe you'll be successful and maybe you won't. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dicey.